I'm giving you a quick update on how our radishes are doing. So you can see behind me, we've planted a lot of rows of radishes. I have to confess I haven't been really good at weeding this summer. So I'm kind of going through weeding them and see how they're doing. I would have expected to see more of them actually ready to pick by now. So I'm going to show you what they look like right now. I do see a couple, so you'll see exactly how they look when they're ready to be picked. And then I'll talk a little bit about some of the mistakes I think I made this year. Here are some of the examples of the radishes that I'm growing. The one thing that I noticed first is they look a little unruly, like their stems are super long and they're already flowering. Usually their stems get very leafy, but these are kind of long and not as leafy. So that kind of gives me a clue that something is different from previous years. This is where I would expect to see some radishes ready to go, and you'll notice that I have 4 different stems coming out of one hole. So I think what's happened is that I planted too many seeds because I didn't expect them all to take, but they all took, and now it doesn't seem like they have enough space for all of them to grow into big, beautiful radishes. So if you look at the plant that's right behind it, I'm going to zoom in and you'll see that that one is ready to go. I cleared away a little bit of the dirt on top of it, and you can see that's a nice big radish. It's ready to be picked. The same thing happened on this side. I'm going to zoom in here and you'll see that one is popping out already. That one's ready to go too. But you'll notice that in other sections there are a lot of them coming out of one hole, which is not what I expected. I expected most of them to die and maybe 1 or 2 to survive. So I guess lesson learned for next year, don't plant so many in one hole. One note on radish tops, they are edible. So I have a friend who, once she picks her radishes, takes the radish leaves and she can grill them, and I will try to interview her really soon for you guys because she's a master gardener and she's really great about reusing as much of what Mother Nature has to offer.